Still broke? You're just 1 hour away from starting your online income journey, even if you have no skills, no product, and no idea where to begin. Most people think making money online requires some kind of magic, formula, or technical genius, but that's not true. The truth is, most people don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they never take the first step. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful, yet simple system that can help you achieve financial freedom. It's the exact system inside the Achieve Financial Freedom 3-in-1 mini course from Money Archive. And the best part? You can start implementing it today. Let's begin by talking about what financial freedom actually means. For some people, it's quitting their job. For others, it's traveling the world or spending more time with family. But at its core, financial freedom means having the power to control your time and money. It means not being trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It means waking up without stress about bills. It means making money even while you sleep. Sounds great, right? But how do we get there? Step 1 is understanding that financial freedom is built on systems, not luck. You don't stumble into wealth, you build it. The 3-in-1 mini course is designed to give you the exact framework to build your own online income stream using PLR digital products. PLR stands for private label rights. With PLR, you can download digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses that someone else has already created. Then you can customize them and sell them as your own. That means no writing from scratch, no complicated software, and no waiting months to launch. You simply click, customize, and profit. Now, inside the mini course, there are 3 core parts. First, you'll learn how to understand the PLR model, what it is, why it works, and how you can profit from it. Second, you'll get a step-by-step walkthrough on how to rebrand a PLR product for your own niche. And third, you'll see how to actually launch that product and make sales. Let's go deeper into each one. In part 1, we break down the PLR model. Private label rights allow you to purchase the rights to digital content that you can edit, rebrand, and resell. Think of it like buying a cake mix. You didn't bake it from scratch, but you can decorate it however you want and sell it at your bakery. PLR works the same way. Someone else creates the product. You make it yours, and then you offer it to your audience. What kind of products are we talking about? Digital planners, wellness guides, productivity templates, online courses, marketing kits. All of these can be resold legally and ethically once you buy the rights. The key is knowing how to position them. That's where part 2 comes in. In part 2 of the mini course, you'll learn exactly how to rebrand your PLR product, so it looks like something you created yourself. You'll learn how to use tools like Canva to edit, ebook covers, swap out sections of text, add your own intro, and even change the tone or branding to match your personal style. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to follow a few simple steps. The course includes templates, tutorials, and examples so you're never lost. And once you've customized your product, you're ready for the fun part, launching it. Part 3 walks you through launching your product and making money. You'll learn how to set up a simple storefront on platforms like Stan Store or Gumroad. These platforms are beginner-friendly, require no coding, and allow you to take payments instantly. You'll also learn how to write product descriptions that sell, how to price your products smartly, and how to use social media to drive traffic to your store. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need to go viral. You just need to be consistent and show up where your audience already is. Let me tell you a few real-life examples. One creator used the PLR method to rebrand 3 ebooks and sold them as a productivity bundle on Instagram. She made over $2,000 in her first month. A college student took a set of PLR marketing templates, customized them with his own branding, and offered them as a service to small business owners. He landed his first 3 clients within 2 weeks. Another beginner, with no prior experience, simply uploaded a PLR self-care journal to Gumroad and promoted it through a single TikTok video. That product is still selling passively today. The common thread? They all started. They didn't wait to be ready. They didn't spend 6 months building a website. They didn't spend thousands on coaching. They just took the tools, followed the system, and launched. And now, so can you. The Achieve Financial Freedom 3-in-1 mini course gives you everything you need. Not theory, not fluff, just action. You get downloadable PLR products, step-by-step guidance, design templates, promotion strategies, and access to a system that's already helped people, just like you generate real income from home. The best part? You can go through the entire course in a single afternoon and start selling your first product tonight. Think about that for a second. Instead of watching yet another YouTube video or reading another blog post, what if you actually launched something today? What if you made your first $10 online? What if that $10 turned into $100? And that $100 turned into $1,000? That's how it starts. One action, one product, one person willing to take a shot. If you're still watching this, it's because something in you is ready. You know you're meant for more. You're tired of watching others succeed while you hesitate. You're tired of consuming and ready to create. And this is your moment. So here's what you're going to do. Click the link in the description. Grab the 3-in-1 mini course. Follow the steps. Customize your first product. Upload it. Promote it. Then watch what happens. I promise you it won't be perfect. And it doesn't need to be. Done is better than perfect. Starting is better than waiting. And today is better than someday. Financial freedom is not a dream. It's a decision. And you get to make that decision today. Thanks for watching. Now go take action. The link is right there. I'll see you inside the course.